Hi, this is Wesley Dotson with Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and today we have a 1969 Chevrolet Camaro we're going to take a look at. This is a real Indy pace car, RS SS 396 big block car, and we're going to take a look at it today. And it is it's a 4-speed car. We do have shipping and financing available on this car right here. Shipping and financing available, but we're going to take a look at it. Like I said, this is a true Indy pace car according to the trim tag. Z11 Indy pace car. So, and it is a 396 big block car, 4-speed, 12 bolt, and it is a date code correct motor. I cannot find the VIN number stamped on the block, but it is a date code correct motor is what's in the car. 1969 396. It's got the orange and black houndstooth, super slick, 4-speed, the gauges, just a really slick, nice car. You just can't even find this car anywhere. It's impossible. We're going to take a look inside of the trunk here. Inside the trunk's finished with a really nice trunk mat. All looks good. It's got the shakers. Shut the trunk here. He's going to start it up for us. Brake lights work. Sounds great. Good sounding exhaust. It's got that thump everybody likes. Show you on the driver's side here. It's got all the right stickers. So it's got the orange houndstooth. It's got the Tac In Dash, gauges on the console, right knob on the 4-speed. Just a really slick car. Right seat belts in the back. Shut the door here. We'll take a look underneath the hood. Like I said, it's powered by a 396, 350 horse. It is a date code correct motor. It's got power steering and power disc brakes. It just doesn't get much nicer than this right here. It's even, oh, let me show you the trim tag here so you can see. It is a true Indy pace car, Z11 on the trim tag right there. Indicates real Indy pace car. So, let me shut the hood here. Take one more quick look at it. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Indy pace car, RSSS big block. All right. If you have questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572 or go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. All right, here we go for the test drive. All right, we're going to take this 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Indy pace car for a test drive and see how it does. Here we go. Shifts through all the gears the right way. Smooth driving car. downshift in here. There we go. Alright, here we go. Have him get on it just a little bit. car will run, I promise you. Lots of power, shifts through all the gears the right way, doesn't rattle or shake, doesn't pull to the left or the right, just a smooth driving car. Alright, we are almost back here, and like we do every time, we will show you what it looks like underneath. If you have any questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. 859-621-5572. All right, here goes the underneath.